Well, we got her tied down.
In the middle of the rain.
In the middle of the rain. Okay guys, we just got back with the lift. It's time to unload it and get to it.
Most of it's on that. I mean, it's not really.
Don't want a complication.
Heck yeah, Dylan. It's on the ground, man. Dude, thank you.
You know me, man. No.
That's cool.
If I'm liable to help,
That's awesome, man. It's down on the ground. We got a lift. Oh yeah, homies, you know what this means. We about to have a 2-post lift up in this bad boy. Boom. Check it out. We're rocking and rolling. Super excited about this. Definitely got to be giving a big thanks out to Dylan Woodfin, his dad Pat, and Jesse Gardner for helping me out going and getting this thing, unloading, and we're getting ready to set it up. We'll take us a short little break, and we're going to keep on rocking and rolling. Big old things are happening, and this bad boy is going to help us out a bunch, and I'm excited about it. So everybody always wonders how in the world I make crazy cool stuff. It's cause this woman's always cooking some good stuff for me. Ain't that right, Hannah?
I reckon.
You reckon?
Whatever.
You cooking me some good meals over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. She's always working hard at it. Alright guys, we got post 1 up. And we got post 2 up. We got the anchors put in, that one over there. And we just got 1 anchor put in here just to hold it in for tonight. But we got a lot of things done. There's Jesse in the background. Thank you, Jesse, for helping.
No problem, man.
We also got our engine puller from Harbor Freight. We had to use it to get the lift out of the back of the truck there. Worked out good. We've been after it. We've been making a bunch of messes. Guys, I'm down here at my dad's, and we've been working on his beast of a truck here, and we have been working on turn signals and brake lights. And this thing, we have finally got this thing working, and we're ready to do some street driving with this thing. You guys will see this thing very soon. We plan on taking this thing up to my house and parking it beside the Full Metal Goat, and I think it's going to be really cool. His truck is in metal form right now, and my car's still in metal form, and I think this is going to be a super cool video coming very soon. So in between videos, I've been coming here and working on this thing and helping him on this deal, and it's been a huge success when we finally got these things to blink for us. But it's time to get back to my shop and work on the 2-post lift. Oh yeah, guys, we have a lot of stuff done. We got our hoses ran, we got our cables just in there, the tension hasn't been set yet. We got our bump bar up top. Jesse's been helping me out a bunch getting like all the hoses clamped down and stuff. We still got a couple more of those clamps to put in, but it's looking good. It's looking really good. We're getting there, ain't we, brother?
Yeah, man, standing on its own.
That's right. So we're getting there. We got things rolling. We're moving right along. It won't be long and we'll be putting fluid in it and getting the air out lines and wiring it up. But we're moving right along. We still got to torque the lag bolts down to the last torque spec there, and then we're good to go. Right now they're just cinched up real tight by hand, and then I got to torque them down with a torque wrench. But looking good. We are looking good right now. About another weekend on it and we'll be in good shape. Alright guys, we have the lift up. The posts are up, we've got the crossbar up, we've got the motor on it, we've got the hydraulic lines run across, and we've got the cables hooked up on the inside there. And we're moving right along. We still got to put the arms on it, and we still got to run the wiring across and hook it up into the box there, but we're moving right along. We're going to break this video up in about 2 parts. This week, of course, just showing you guys that we've got it up and where we're at with it, and then next week I will show this thing operational. Hopefully we'll be able to come over here and push this button and go just like that right there. But really excited about it. I hope you guys enjoy this week's can't talk today. This week's video. We're getting back in the realm of working back here in the garage, and super excited about it. And the goat's still over here. We still got a lot of stuff coming for it. This upcoming week you're going to see a ton of parts coming for this thing. I got several boxes coming in for it. A lot of interior stuff, new cranks, new door handles. You guys have already seen the door skins. We've also got like a bunch of emblems and trim that goes on the inside, and also my GTO badges that's supposed to go on the sides here. Of course the one on the other side, and also the GTO badges that goes back here on this back panel back here. So there's a ton of stuff going on, a ton of stuff coming. Oh, and door handles and that stuff, so that's coming too. New door handles, make it all nice and shiny and looking good, so no more having to stick your finger in that hole there to open the door up. So a lot of stuff's going on, and I'm glad you guys are enjoying it, and tons of stuff are coming. Oh, definitely be sure to like, share, and subscribe. That helps us out a bunch. Be sure you guys are getting our notifications. Be sure you guys are following us there on YouTube, and so you guys can keep up with all this crazy stuff happening.